How do global warming potential of R608 propane, R290, and R441A compare to the global warming potential of HFCs 134A, R404A, and R410A? So the answer, well, let me read the questions first. They are significantly higher. No, that does not make sense. They are approximately equal. No, that wouldn't make sense because you're actually comparing something that doesn't have global warming and something that has very high global warming, and they are just slightly higher. No, the answer for that one, it will be they are significantly lower. That will be the answer for number 3.